Okay, sali ka lang. Okay. Ito, pan-challenge to guys. Ubusan ng pizza, mauna.
Get your
What's
pizza
yours?
first.
Yes.
I'll get, maybe,
Go pick this.
I get,
I'm gonna get $100.
I think this is a bit.
Tulakak tayo.
Okay.
Kita niyo.
1, 2, 3, go! Ano naman ako pala? Premyo.
100?
Anong, isang coke.
Hmm?
Okay, $50. Hindi na mauna.
But you're not even done. Come on, we're gonna eat it. Eat it? Yeah, it is.
Paunahan niya eh. Kasi mali ka sa'yo.
50.
Mag-cheer ka mataas.
They're gonna eat it.
I-focus mo dahil siya naman una.
Yeah.
Una?
Wow.
Kuya? 1 minute and ito. Ito yung akin. Kay Liam. Paubos na yung kay Liam.
Init.
Kay Papa. Parang panalo. Parang may mananalo na guys.
You have to pass. No, eat it.
Ayang-ayang sa views tsaka sa $50 na prize. Hmm?
Ano nga ba ng kuko mo?
Hmm? Yung yun? Oh my God, may panalo na guys. Alam niyo na kung sino. Yung malaking katawan. Lahat niya.
Hindi pa eh.
Mamaya, mamaya.
Dapat lulukin mo
Kaya
yan.
na, we have to swallow it. Be careful, mag-choke ka.
Oh, bakit kinipira?
Wow! Nyaw, nyaw, nyaw. Nyaw. Yan, Kailan, magtutan. Kailangan maubos. Magtutan ka, i-eat first yan. Pastor, Papa, huwag ka namin. Swallow in,
What's the
no, swallow first. The winner is, who's the winner?
This bitch.
Okay.
Papa panalo. Liam is the second runner-up. And Mama is the loser. May panalo na guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bye!